Alright, what's up? I'm TJ. What's up? I'm Tyler.
What's up, man? I'm Will.
And I'm Jack.
This is Tyler's pit bike. He's rebuilding it, thinking he wants to do a business. Am I right, Tyler?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Tyler loves building pit bikes. We just, sorry we didn't get the, us put in the motor and just finally remembered, oh, we should record this. So, here we are. Tell us all about everything you bought and what you got going on.
Alright, so I'm Tyler, as you know, from Dirt Floor Garage. And this is my house, or my basement.
Wow.
And
maybe we'll have to do a basement tour one day.
And this is my pit bike that I got for free. I traded an old sled for it. It was all complete originally, but I didn't like all the old rusty parts on it, so I decided to do a complete rebuild. The only thing that's not new is this frame, but other than that, what you see is all brand new pretty much. Oh,
and then front struts.
Yeah, the front struts, but they're already ordered, so they're on their way. But I got a brand new engine. I'm pretty sure the old engine was a 110, but we bumped it up to a 125. And instead of the 10-inch wheels, I got 14 and 12-inch wheels, so it's a little bit bigger of a setup. Hoping to get it all together pretty soon, so that way it'll be ready for spring. But this is my little painting room. As we can see on the ground, it's a little dark, but this is where I come in. There's the old engine right here. Yeah, a little worn down, so it was about time needing an upgrade. So hopefully it all works out in the end, though. We'll see.
All right, so we're gonna do a little montage or time lapse, whatever you want to call it, of us, whatever we end up deciding to do today, figuring out how to put this thing together. Currently, we're figuring out putting the rear brake on. So we'll set that up and let you watch. Hope you enjoy.
Down your spine. You're living life on my time. And if you don't believe what your eyes are telling you.
Little update on what we got going on here. We thought at first, when we first put this on, we thought, oh shoot, that's gonna be too close. But I was like, hey Tyler, we should check to see if the pegs work first, or the foot stand, whatever you want to call them. See if those work, put those on, and then obviously you could use a little bit more room, but with such a big, giant motor in it that Tyler got, it doesn't work as well as we want to, but you know, it'll do the trick. So now, do you have a spring for, to get that thing to stay where it needs to be?
Not yet.
Not yet. So we can't really hook this all up yet, but it is where it needs to be. Put these on. They work excellent, you know. Your good old footrest. What are we gonna do next, Tyler?
Probably just put the kickstand or kickstarter lever and then the shifter lever on.
Yep.
So just for now, at least.
Put those on, and we're probably gonna try putting that rear wheel on and maybe finding out how to attach the brake to it. But all right, that's a quick update. We'll get you back to watching the time lapse.
All right, so when installing the engine, we had a little bit of an issue. So because we're putting aftermarket parts in this pit bike frame, we came into a problem where this bolt right in the back of here was sticking out just a little bit, so that way the frame was hitting that bolt, and so we weren't able to push the engine where it needs to be to get the engine bolt in. So what we did, we took it out, took a grinder, just grinded it down just a little bit, just enough for the frame to clear it, and then stuck it in, and the frame fits, or the engine fits good in the frame. So What?
So if you couldn't tell,
Oh, yeah.
with our genius tripod ideas, you guys just fell down. I had the phone right there. What's up, guys? So we're all done for the night. Since it's Tyler's bike, I'll let him run you down with whatever went wrong, what went right, and what he messed up on buying and whatnot. So here you go, Tyler.
All right. So first things first, we can't get the rear wheel on because, as we can tell, the rear brake is not lining up. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research about that, but once I get the right one, I hope it'll be good. And then, so what we did today was we stuck the engine back in the frame, and we only had one difficulty there. It was because we had a bolt back here that was sticking out into the frame a little bit.
Hey, Tyler, we already said that. This guy's new.
Anyways, so what we ended up doing today was we put all the pegs onto the engine and then got the cover back on. We ended up sticking the handlebars on.
Slapping those things on, right, Tyler?
Oh yeah, slapping right on. They are a little bit crooked, and I believe it's because of the triple clamp. So I might have to order a new one of those. But
Not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad, but it's still a noticeable difference. We got the footrests on too. Other than that, that's pretty much what we did today. Before it was just a frame, so you know, it's coming along. So I'm pretty excited for this spring.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys later on Dirt Floor Garage.